Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us over here. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear. And if you scroll down on the bottom on this panel, you can see there's a settings button available for us over here just below the help and feedback. At the bottom of this panel, tap on settings and you'll land on this kind of interface where you can see the general settings option available for us at the top of the list. Tap on the general settings at the top of the list, guys, and this kind of interface will appear where we'll be required to tap on the theme again, which is at the top of the screen. You can see the theme option over here. Tap on it and this kind of interface or pop-up box will appear. In order to turn on dark mode on Gmail, tap on the dark section over here, and then the dark mode will be turned on or enabled on Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to turn on dark mode on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.